Besties, look what we got, girls. So, girl, if you did not know, girl, LA Colors got this new Tropical Bloom lipstick, bestie, and I got the shade in Bahama Mom, bestie. So let's try this, girl, because y'all know I love LA Colors now, basically. I love white, y'all. I love how we got the little pink. Right, it doesn't have a smell. Ooh, look at that product, bestie. Like, look at that product. Okay, bestie, I'm not talking, bestie. Hey, bestie, that is good. Look at that. Now, I would not wear this out, girl, but I know inside of a lip combo, this is gonna eat that. It's like a pigment magenta pink. Like, it's like a dark shade of pink, but like, look, bestie. It's like a very pretty pink, girl. I love this now. This gets a 10 out of 10, girl. Like, I love it. It's cute. It's affordable. It glides on good, bestie. But, girl, comment down below, girl, if you are going to try the new LA Colors lipstick in the shade Bahama Mom, bestie. And until next time, bestie.